Hey embroiders, today we're going to talk about machine maintenance. You might be finding that your images are getting out of balance, they're jamming up, and you need to make sure and oil your machine daily and weekly, and I'm going to show you how to do that. First is the hidden bobbin. Got this little case right here. It's tightened with these screws, and that reveals your bobbin, and we're going to need to put some oil in this far corner right here. You should be oiling your bobbin every day, and if you're running it all day long, I would oil it every 4 hours. There's a specific spot right here. It's hard to see, but there's 2 pieces of black metal right there, and give it a good little squeeze. Now you're gonna get some that goes down onto the bottom here, and that's okay. You can take a little bit of air, a little oil. I mean, it's just kind of one of those things that you can do on the fly really quick without a whole lot of thought. But once you have oiled it, the next piece of fabric that goes in here should be a test fabric really quick, because it will leave a little halo of oil on your design. So that's the bobbin there. The machine comes with this really cool tool that is actually a screwdriver. Helps you get back to this back plate back here without having to knock your knuckles or hurt anything in the machine. This is taking the plate off here where hidden gunk can build up and hurt the needle area and the ability to perform properly. Just all of the oil, thread dust, thread itself, just build up in here. Take this whole little plate off. And you got some really small screws here. The machine does come with a few extras, if you lose any. There it is, for example. Yeah, so it gets dirty in here, and that's the slide here for the machine. You know, it's cutting the thread. And you just want to make sure that you get all of that out of there. You can use a little brush, a little bit of air. If you're using this machine a lot, you're going to see a whole bunch of dust fly out of there. Yeah, I just pulled this out of the back of the bobbin. Didn't know it was there. It's not catastrophic, but these kind of things can build up, causing a jam, causing your machine to just not work as efficiently, maybe making you have to replace some of these parts prematurely. Make sure and install this plate back in here before you try to use your machine. It's very important. We're gonna get the bobbin plate put back on here. If this isn't on here, you can use the machine just fine. Reasons to take this off might be that it's getting in the way of a hat, but you should just run it with it on here to help protect the bobbin area. When you go to put this plate back on, you wanna line it up with the bottom holes so that this divot right here matches with the screw to hold it all into place. This moves, so you get that in here. Boom, locks into place. And when you close it, you rotate these to tighten it up. Keeping this guard on here will help protect the bobbin area. It'll help it from collecting as much fabric dust and thread. Every week you should grease all of your colors. All of these pieces right here move up and down the entire time. That will keep each one nice and lubricated so that the moving up and down motion doesn't seize. Maybe you only use this for a certain couple of colors, then you would know that I should probably definitely oil just the colors I'm using more often than maybe just once a week. You have to use your judgment on that one. But it never hurts to just give each one of them a squirt. Oil might squirt out the back, and that's fine. You know, there's always a little oil intermixed in these machines. Okay, and then you can put this right back on here once you've done that, and that will also help keep dust out of there. The only other thing I would do on a weekly basis is maybe a little canned air to dust the whole thing. Really get into places. Fabric dust can really build up in some strange places. You'll see it along these petals if you're using the same color continuously. If you're using a fabric that leaves a lot of fibers behind it naturally, it's gonna show up. Avoid over squirting so that it doesn't get that freeze spray on the end. You don't wanna hurt any of your parts. That's pretty much it for the daily and the weekly maintenance. These machines are a breeze. You just have to be good to it. If you're good to it, it will be good to you. Neglecting to do these steps could result in the machine being down, parts having to be replaced, and we want to avoid that. We want to just keep on humming, keep it nice and clean and oiled, and you'll really enjoy using it. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. I hope this helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions or you have any tips, and share this with somebody that you think it would help. Talk to you later.